Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the application process and requirements required to apply for the MS in Computer Science at NYU London. So NYU being the one of the top most universities around the world has certain parameters, criteria and requirements which a student has to qualify to be eligible to apply for MS in Computer Science. Beginning with the general requirements, the NYU asks for an undergrad degree from a applicant in computer science, engineering, or mathematics. The undergrad degree should be of at least 3 to 4 years, and it should be completed with the knowledge of computer science or statistics or mathematics for the course which you are applying for, so so that you have the general purpose programming language knowledge, skills, understanding of the fundamentals or the data structures algorithm coming in computer sciences. If suppose a undergrad student is not has not done any of such disciplines, they can still apply for MS in computer science, but before applying, they would have to take a bridge courses from NYU, which NYU will be teaching them online, and they would have to enroll into them, and they would have to qualify them with the specific grades mentioned by the NYU. For more details over this, I would be mentioning the web page, specific web page URL in the description below. You can go there and clear out the queries. And some if you don't find something there, you can write to NYU at engineering@nyu.edu. Moreover, coming to the other requirement, NYU also offers transfer admissions for students for studying in the other universities who wish to transfer their admission into NYU from other universities, where 9 credits of from the previous institute would be accepted in the NYU MS and CS. Coming to the test requirements required for the MS in Computer Science program at NYU London, you would have to give a ETS JRE, where a valid ETS score would have to be needed to be reported at NYU. So as soon as you apply for JRE, try to send your score to the NYU so that by the time your application process is done, your scores for the testing would already reach NYU, and NYU can on the spot start your application selection rounds. So for that, you would have to report the JRE score from ETS using the ETS institution code 2668. You can do it before your exam when you will be registering for JRE. You can do it on the exam day. The ETS would ask you on the same day if you have to send your score to some other college, which would be completely free of cost. And there are 4 colleges where you can send your score for free. And if you don't send your score by then, you can send it afterwards after your score is declared, or after some days of your exams, but that will charge you nearly $50 to send your score to the university you want to. Coming to the other requirements, you would have to have a score of 3 plus GPA on a scale of 4. Suppose you have a CGPA with 10 grade or 8 grade, you would have to convert that into 4 grade, and if your If your CGPA is above 3, you are qualified to apply into NYU London. For other than all these requirements, NYU also asks for the English proficiency test for the international students, basically who don't have their English as their first language. So they would have to give a test for proving their proficiency with English language, would be TOEFL, IELTS, CAE, or Pearson PT. And NYU has a minimum criteria for these English proficiency tests, which you would have to qualify to successfully apply for NYU, which is TOEFL with 90 or 90 plus score, IELTS with 7 pointer or plus, CAE CAE with C1 on advanced exam, and Pearson PT with 65 point or plus. And for JRE, NYU doesn't mention any the minimum or maximum marks required for the admission process, but by researching over different websites, Google's available, you would get a accurate data that if you score above 320, you would have a good chance over getting admitted into NYU. Below 320, it's not that you won't have a chance. You can still have a chance. It's all depend on your resume, your SOP as well. So don't lose hope if your score is below 320. You can still apply. Just try to maintain a English proficiency minimum score so that your application would be processed further and the NYU would look into your application or select into like they proceed with your application to the selection rounds. Coming to the other requirements, you would have to pay a fees of $75 to NYU for your application process. It's a non-refundable fees, but you can also ask NYU for a fees waiver, for which you would have to drop them a email at engineering.gradinfo@nyu.edu. You can you can provide them with the genuine reason and ask them to waive you the application fees. And if you get lucky, they might also do it, which they do it for few of the students applying every year. And you would have to send the hard copies of your official transcripts grade sheet basically to NYU in an sealed envelope attested by the control of examiner of your institute. If you are Indian, it's compulsory to send a certain envelope attested by the controller of examination. Otherwise, NYU would reject your transcripts and won't accept them. So send the transcripts issued by the institute in an attested envelope, which is sealed by the institute itself. You would not have to open it. You would have to directly post it to NYU. Also, with that, you would have to provide a NYU with the proof of your undergrad degree. It's an copy you would have to send to NYU, a tested copy by the institute itself in an unsealed envelope. Or suppose if you have not completed your undergrad degree and you are still a student and applying for further studies, you would have to still provide them with a professional certificate which would be issued to you by your institution, and you would have it should be in a tested unsealed envelope. Please make sure that your envelope are properly sealed and it's been properly attested. Otherwise, your whole process would be declared invalid by the NYU. Coming coming to other requirements, if coming so the other requirements holds the SOP, the statement of purpose. So guys, the statement of purpose is one of the most important part of your application, where you would be telling the institute all about everything about yourself, like from your introduction, your past experience, what field are you going to pursue, what are your current field you are pursuing it to, what is the relevant experience, or what is the relevant projects, what is the relevant study you have done on your field, why are you want to go to NYU, why MS in computer science. So SOP is a document having all these questions answered in your language by you, telling them the brief about you. So you would have to mention all your goals, interests, career plans, what are you planning to do after MS and CS. Everything should be explained in them very properly. So NYU has a certain parameters for writing an SOP, which you would have to submit to NYU. So you would have to mention your name, program, and date in the SOP very clearly at top or at some place in the SOP. But if it comes at the top, it would be better. It would be more clear to them and it would look really good on your SOP as well. So and other no other than that, your SOP should be double spaced between your statements. It should be well organized. It should have a font size of 12. You can adjust your alignments on the page to increase your words, but don't make your font below 12 or above 12. Just make it 12, and your SOP should not exceed 2 pages. It should be two or less than two, like 1 page or 2 page, but not more than two. And basically, you would have to answer a simple question in your SOP, that why are you wish to pursue this program, why at this particular college, and what will that gain you in future. So other than this, the you would during your online application process, you would have to submit an resume or CV to NYU, where you would be stating all your professional experience, all the projects, everything about you uh, in a corporate language. But just try to make sure that you explain the more in that using the less words. So your SOP, try to keep your resume in 2 pages only. If it's been in 1 page, that would be the best thing. If it's for in 2 pages, then also it's okay. But try to explain more in less words. Coming to the second part, you would have to provide NYU with the LORs, the letter of recommendation, which is officially they ask for two or more, but I would personally suggest you to provide them with 3 or 4 LORs, where the NYU would be where you would have to just provide the recommender's name, official ID, and phone number, and the NYU would be sending them an email with their profession with their credentials, with where they will go log in into NY portal. They will write a passage about you, and then NYU will be asking them 4 to 5 questions based on rating, which would include how is the past experience with you, what are your skills, what are your leadership qualities, some basic questions like this, where they would have to rate them between 1 to 5. Going forward, you don't have to send your LORs to NYU by mail or anything. You would just have to apply them online. And suppose if you have any problem while doing any of the process in your application, you can directly reach out to NYU at engineering.gradinfo@nyu.edu, where they will definitely help you with everything, every question, every query you would have. At the end, I would say that all the best for your application. If you have any doubts, any question, you can directly reach out to me through comment box. I will try to reply you as soon as possible, and just try to complete all the requirements and application process as early as possible. If your deadline is suppose 15 of Feb, try to try to submit all your application related documents and whole application by 1st of January maximum, so that NYU would consider you into like they would have the good time to select out your application, to process your application, and that would give you a good edge for getting into NYU for MS in computer sciences. Thank you.